Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons. Are you ready to learn new vocabulary? If yes, stay here. Today we are going to learn some new vocabulary about our body. Do you know this one? It's por. Por. Poremen, porete, porevi. This one is chav. Chav is I. So chavemen Russian, chavevi keskin. And this one, pause. Pause. In my region we call it behvel. In some regions it's bevel. So pause, bevel. And this one is dev. Dev. Dev, dev, dev. So be careful, not dev. Dev. And this one, so many names for this one. Denan, dedan, or deran. And this one, lev. Lev. You know,